I got a whole 29 views on the underwater torch cutting video, so I figured since y'all liked it so much, I might as well do an underwater welding video. See what happens there. So I got my trusty old bucket here with some rainwater in it. I need a little more water than that. Over here. Now this stuff may or may not be flammable. It's mostly water, but not 100%. Oh, stuff just smells like a good time. See if we got juice. Oh yeah. Now you want to make sure your welding connections here are right OSHA approved, so you're good to go. Alright, first we're going to try some 6011, then we're going to see what 7018 does. Alright, got the 7018. If this doesn't work, we'll just have to crank up the amps. If it blows up or something. We got her in high range. Stick this to about, let's do 150. Okay, we got the welder turned up to 250, and you know what's getting serious when I actually clean my ground connection. Give it another try. I think we burned through or hit the hole or something. That worked better. It was all over the place because I couldn't see what I'm doing. But see how it looks. Oh, that is just a big fat weld. Yeah, that got some good penetration there. That is just beautiful. See if we can clean that up. And so that big fat bead there is the 250 amp. You can see it burned a nice crater in there and started burning through to the plastic at the bottom of the bucket. But there's a lot of heat going in there. Nice solid weld. There wasn't much slag on it. Pretty clean already. But I cleaned this up with a wire brush. So yeah, seemed to work pretty good.